Today's Her Hack is about how to store your artificial poinsettias from one season to the next. This is my Christmas tree, and these are my poinsettias. I'm going to show you a quick and easy hack to save your fake poinsettias that I just took off my Christmas tree, so they'll look just fresh and new next year. These poinsettias are at least 7 to 10 years old, and you can't tell it by how fresh they look. I put out a strip of packing tape on the table. I've got it taped at both ends and it's turned up with the sticky side. Here's what I'm going to do. And you can see where I've cut it before. I had some tape on it. Okay. I'm going to place these on the packing tape far enough apart that they will not interfere with each other and mash the flowers. Okay, that's one row. Then I go back and take my tape, packing tape, and go over it to seal it. Just like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. And this is probably too long, but I'll show you what I do to keep them. Okay, great. Now I've got this one ready to go. And here's what I do. Okay. Now you see how they hang so they don't get mashed? I'm going to use some thumbtacks and put these into the sheetrock inside a closet that I don't use that much, so it hangs down at the top of the door, and they'll be right there for me to get next year. Got some thumbtacks ready to go, and I'll show you the finished product in just a minute. And so here are my poinsettias hanging inside a closet waiting for next year.